This is our topic curves and polygons. Then what are curves? Any drawing straight or non-straight means we are drawing any figure using straight lines, or non-straight means curved lines. Then whatever figure we obtain, this is called a curve. Here you can see there are many examples of curves are there: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Different types of curves are drawn here. So you have to observe these curves. The simple, now our topic is simple curve. The simple curves are the curve formed without crossing the lines. Here third and seventh are not simple curves because these are crossing each other. Here you can see in third and seventh figure the lines are crossing each other or they are intersecting each other. That's why these are not simple curve. But in all the left part, in first, in second, in fourth, in fifth and in sixth, you can see the lines are not intersecting each other or they are not crossing each other here. So these are simple curves, but third and seventh are not simple curve as the lines are crossing each other. Now open curve. Open curves are the simple curves where end point and beginning point is different. Now here you can see in these three figures the beginning and the ending point both are not same. Beginning, there is a difference between the beginning point and the ending point, and the figure is incomplete, so it is an open curve. Now closed curves are the simple curves where end point and the beginning point lie on each other or they are same. In these three figures you can see the beginning point and the ending point both are same and the figures are closed, so these are closed figures. Now this is polygon. A curve is called polygon when it is made up of only straight lines. No curved line is there, only straight lines. There are 6 examples: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the figures are made up of straight lines only. There is no curved line, only straight lines by scale are drawn, and these type of figures are called polygon. Types of polygons. Polygons are basically categorized on the basis of their number of sides. If a straight line figure has 3 sides, then it is called a triangle. If it has 4 sides, then it is called a quadrilateral. If it has 5 sides, then it is called pentagon. If it has 6 sides, then it is called hexagon. And if the figure has 7 sides, if a polygon has 7 sides, then it is called a heptagon. If it has 8 sides, then it is called octagon. 9 sides, then it is called nonagon, and 10 sides, then it is called decagon. So this is the classification of the polygon on the basis of number of sides. You can count the number of sides of a polygon to tell its name. Now here you can see this is the structure of the different polygons obtained by drawing, and these all are regular polygons. Regular means whose all the angles, all interior angles and all the sides are equal. These are regular polygons. Now here these are the figures of these regular polygons. If 3 sides, then this is triangle. 4 sides, then it is quadrilateral. 5 sides, pentagon. 6 sides, hexagon. 7 sides, heptagon. 8 sides, octagon. 9 sides, nonagon, and 10 side decagon.